Good morning. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and as you can see, the market has opened up substantially lower, right? This is where it closed yesterday, about 1974.5. Market opened up at 68 and change right down in here, and this is pretty much a classic trade setup. You had a nice big gap down opening, and I believe we are going to move higher. Okay. Are we going to fill this entire gap immediately? Yeah, I don't think so, but I think it's good enough for a 2 to 4 point pop right out of the gate here. So let's see what happens. As you can see, I am long right now at 68 3/4. We are currently on the first 3-minute bar here. We've opened up into, let's take a look at, this is the day session only chart. Let's look at the night. So this is the Globex, right? All right. Let's see. Okay, we're going to watch this market. Okay, we're starting to get that movement up. So again, this is the night session, right? In conjunction with the day session, right? This is the first 3-minute bar. Again, night session data and day session data only. Okay, so look at when you take a look at this right in here. Okay. ESU 14 is the September contract, 14 is the year, right? Dot D is day session only. When you have the @ sign ES, that's the continuous chart. Okay, look at where we're at now, 69 3/4. Market's rallying, right? We're getting that rally that we were expecting. So let's see again. Closed yesterday, okay? It closed at 74.5. Opened up at 68.50. So basically that's a 6-point gap, right? 6 points from close to open. So we're going to look for at least 3 points, fill in at least 3 points, all right, from where it opened. So again, opened up at 68.5, so 3 points up would make it 71.5. So let's put that profit target right there. All right, so this white horizontal line represents the first profit target here, okay? I'm going to watch this very closely because now we've got just the first 3-minute range. I want to see if it's able to break up through the high of that first 3 minutes or down through the low of the first 3 minutes. If it breaks up through the high of the first 3 minutes, then we will more than likely tighten our stops, okay? So I'm going to pause the video. All right, look at this, I'm back. Market is breaking up through that high of the first 3 minutes, right? Again, we got the gap. This is our first objective, 71.5. Came down, tested that low. Look at this bar so far. Pretty big bar. Took out the high. Let's see if we can get any follow through to the upside here. Again, we're looking at 71.5. All right, so we're at 70 right now. Let's see if we can break up through that round number of 1970 even. I'm just going to watch this market closely here. As you can see, we've got a small position on, but I just want to show you. Look, we got two. We're up $125 so far. Oh, look at this. Here we go. We're getting that. Okay, here we go. That's a nice bar. Again, we're looking at 71.5. Let's take off one of those positions at 71. Well, let's go 71.25. Right, 71.25 would be right there. Sell one on a limit. Look at this. We just take half the position off. All right, 71.25, 1 tick below the halve number. We're at 70 3/4. Look at this. Nice trade. But we still have one position left. Okay, got one position left, so I'm going to trail the stop up. Let's take a look here. All right, that's nice. This market did exactly what we thought it would do, right? Remember, we bought this out of the gate. Market opened up into a key trade zone this morning, and we are getting the rally that we were expecting. So I'm going to watch this very closely. I'll pause this. I've got one left. So I took off half of the position. Closed $125 in profits here in the first 9 minutes of trading. And I've got one position left. And I am going to go 69 and to sell it on a stop at 69 3/4. Okay, right below here. So here we go, 69 3/4 to be right down here, 69 3/4. Let's see if we can milk this for a little bit more. So 69 3/4 would be a sell stop. 69 3/4 sell stop, right? There we go. See that? Got the order in. 69 3/4 would be locking in 1 full point on the remaining portion of the position. Meanwhile, I will continually move this up. If it continues moving higher, right? Let's try to milk it for what it's worth. And I'll pause the video. All right, the market, this 3-minute bar took out the prior 3-minute bar's high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trail my stop up to below this low of 70.5, up to 70 1/4. Just lock in an extra 50 cents, right? So let's cancel these orders, right? So took that out. Let's replace it now to right below that low. Let's go to 70 1/4 now. Okay? Right there. So I moved it up to 70 1/4. So we'll lock it in 1.5 now on the remaining portion of the position after taking 3 points out on that first pop-up, okay? I'm going to pause the video again. All right, I'm back again quickly here. What I did was I measured the fibs from where it dropped off yesterday afternoon, right in here, from this high up here, down to today's low, and I've drawn those fibs. So we've moved up through the 38.2% retracement. We're getting real close to that 50%. The 50% is right there, and this is the 60%. Now, I would expect this area in here to act as some type of resistance, the 60%, plus back at those lows again. So here we go. Look at that, right at the 50%. Nice. That's at 72.5. Hit 72.5. So I am going to look at this. Right there, 72.5. So I'm going to continue. Oh, look at this, making new highs again. So I'm going to go ahead and move up the stop again. All right, I'm back, and I am going to just take it at the market now because I think the run is done for right now. So let's take it off. Out there, and I need to take out the remaining portion of my order here. My sell stop order. So I took that out. So there we go. So this trade took out $262.50. Remember, we bought this right here, as you can see. Bought it here. Because, again, the reason behind this, the market gapped nicely, and an overall uptrend opened up down into support, looking for that initial move up, and that's exactly what we did. So I hope that helps. Let's flip this back real quick to Monsanto. Still long the Monsanto trade, looking for the market to move higher. Let's see if it moves higher. This is more of a swing trade, right? Let's see if we can get a rally up. I'm going to watch it very closely today. If it starts breaking down, I will exit this trade with a relatively small stop. But we'll see if it rallies along with what the overall market's able to do right now. All right? Hope that helps. Have a profitable day. And I do want to remind you to watch Doc's calendar spread video, okay? Calendar spread video. And that can be found at this URL right here. If you haven't watched it already, I urge you to do it. He's holding a live class this Saturday. And he's got a certain way of doing the calendar spreads that are working phenomenal in this market. So again, go to https://tradingconceptsinc.leadpages.net/optionsmd-calendar-spread-strategy, okay? Hope to see you in Saturday's class. But before that, go to this website and watch this 25-minute video. You'll learn a whole lot, okay? Have a great day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now. Let's see what the market does.